digiKam in 2025 continues to be one of the most powerful and feature-packed open-source photo management applications, making it an excellent choice for photographers and photo enthusiasts. But is it really worth it? Let's take a closer look at what it offers and who it's best suited for. digiKam handles large photo libraries with ease, supporting a wide variety of formats including RAW files from over 1,260 camera models. It lets you import images and videos from various sources like local drives, external storage devices, or network folders. Its robust database system organizes your collection by storing metadata, camera details, geolocation data, and even facial recognition information. The July 2025 update, version 8.7.0, brought significant improvements to its AI-powered face recognition, enabling automatic face detection and smarter match suggestions that speed up tagging. A major new feature this year is the AI Auto Rotation tool, which leverages deep learning to automatically adjust photo orientation in batches, saving users from having to manually rotate large numbers of images. Additionally, digiKam now supports GPU acceleration through OpenCL and CUDA, enhancing performance in tasks like resizing and color space conversion, which is especially helpful for users managing large or high-res collections. Besides organizing photos, digiKam offers a powerful built-in image editor with features like red eye removal, color correction, noise reduction, and metadata editing. It also supports batch processing, letting you apply complex edits or renaming actions to many photos at once. Its interface includes advanced search tools, from simple keyword searches to complex queries involving metadata and fuzzy matching, making it easy to find specific images even in huge archives. Additional features include tagging, star ratings, geotagging, duplicate detection, and smooth integration with external editors such as GIMP and Raw Therapy, offering a full professional workflow. Being completely free and open source and available in 16 languages, digiKam is particularly attractive for photographers looking for a professional-grade tool without recurring subscription fees, unlike many commercial alternatives. However, digiKam's extensive capabilities come with a steeper learning curve for beginners, and those wanting a minimalistic photo viewer might find it overwhelming. Plus, using GPU acceleration requires compatible hardware and proper drivers to function smoothly. So, is digiKam worth it in 2025? Definitely, if you need a comprehensive photo management solution that combines cutting-edge AI features, strong editing tools, and powerful organizational options, all in a free open-source package. It's ideal for everyone from hobbyists to professionals managing large image libraries. Thanks for watching this honest digiKam review. If you found it useful, please like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Feel free to share your experiences or questions about digiKam in the comments below.